Hello, dear brothers and sisters in Christ. This weekend I was with my brother, and his wife had a birthday, and he was showing me something that is called Playing for Change, and this is another indication that Jesus is coming soon. And it's not that I'm not happy about Jesus coming soon, because I really am, and I'm ready to go home. But this is just, indication of that we are changing year, that soon there will be the Great Tribulation, because people are coming together all over the world trying to make a change, trying to come together to unify. And I have been talking about this before because I know what is going on. And, I think I talked about it 3-4 years ago, about Aquarius, this new age that is coming soon. But I want to share with you what Playing for Change is. He showed me a song, and at first I thought, well, this is beautiful music, but why is the man singing having sunglasses on with only one patch for the eye? And that was when it hit me, because he came from a very poor background. And the one thing that you need to do in order to be famous, in order to be someone, you have to sell out. You have to sell your soul. And this is what these people are doing, and even without knowing it. And in one of the songs, Paula Abdul was in the song. So this is in the top. It's not just some people around the world thinking, oh, we're going to do this for the world and we're doing this on our own. No, it's in the top elite. So I'm going to read for you what Playing for Change is about. And there it is, the journey. Playing for Change is a movement created to inspire and connect the world through music. The idea for this project came from a common belief that music has the power to break down boundaries and overcome distances between people. And yes, that's true, but this is mind control, people. This is mind control. They are doing it with all these hidden agendas, all these hidden signs, and it's making people fall into some kind of I don't know, what is it called? Some kind of trance, I guess. So they do not really know what is connecting them, but it will make them feel good. That's the thing. Playing for Change was born in 2002 as a shared vision between co-founders Mark Johnson and Whitney Kronicki to hit the streets of America with a mobile recording studio and cameras in search of inspiration and the heartbeat of the people. This musical journey resulted in the award-winning documentary, A Cinematic Discovery of Street Musicians. So they went into the streets to hire people to do this. Yeah, going to scroll down here. In 2005, Mark Johnson was walking in Santa Monica, California, when he heard the voice of Roger Ridley singing Stand By Me Roger had so much soul and conviction in his voice, and Mark approached him about performing Stand By Me as a song around the world. Roger agreed, and when Mark returned with recording equipment and cameras, he asked Roger, with a voice like yours, "Why are you singing on the streets?" Roger replied, "Man, I'm in the joy business. I come out to be with people." Ever since that day, the Playing for Change crew has traveled the world recording and filming musicians, creating songs around the world, and building a global family. Global family, New World Order, coming together, being unity, the new age of Aquarius, which they sang in the 70s about. Creating songs around the world inspired us to unite many of the greatest musicians we met throughout our journey and formed the Playing for Change band. These musicians come from many different countries and cultures, but through music they speak the same language. Songs around the world, the PFC band is now touring the world and spreading the message of love and hope to audiences everywhere. The true measure of any movement is that what it gives back to the people. We therefore created the Playing for Change Foundation, a separate 501c3. So it is within the churches. This is what the churches, the established churches do. Wow. It's a non-profit organization dedicated to building music and art schools for children around the world and creating hope and inspiration for the future of our planet. But you know what? Jesus is the one coming to establish peace. And the world will not be able to, because it's not in our nature. It's not in the human nature to be good to one another. For longer periods of time, you cannot stay good. The flesh will have what the flesh will have. So there will be jealousy, there will be wars, people will do whatever they will to have what they want to. So there will be hate, and there will be, people killing off each other, even if you created some kind of peace in the world. So maybe this is founded on the Catholic Church, I don't know. And the Catholic Church has then been founding this with the 501c3 churches. So sad to see this. It says here, it's a non-profit organization dedicated to building music and art schools for children around the world and creating hope and inspiration for the future of our planet. No matter who you are or where you come from, we are all united through music. So what the Big Brother and Illuminati could not do, up front, they will do in hiding and plain sight. It says, support this movement by becoming a member, and together we will make the world a better place. But no thanks, I won't do that. I know what it's all about, so I just wanted to give you some information about what I discovered this weekend, and I'm so sad that my brother does not know anything about this, and it's hard to talk to him about religion. It's hard to talk to him about beliefs, about faith, but there's definitely going on something in his mind about that he wants something to change, And somewhere in the Bible, I need to make a study about that. It says that those who seek for the truth will find Jesus. So hopefully this is how it is. But thank you all for listening. God bless you, and see you in the next video. Bye.